Did you know that adding the right roof rack to your Kia Telluride can instantly turn it into a mini adventure machine? Whether you're hauling bikes, kayaks, skis, or luggage, a great roof rack isn't just extra space, it's freedom to take your adventures anywhere. All the links are in the description. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best roof racks for the Kia Telluride, comparing their features, pros, and cons so you can see which one truly reigns supreme. Buckle up, it's about to get gear-packed and fun. Number 5. Dexo 51x36 Universal Roof Rack. Starting off our list is the Dexo 51x36 Universal Roof Rack Basket, a heavy-duty option built for travelers who want a robust rack without dropping a fortune. Made from powder-coated galvanized steel, it holds up to 200 lbs and comes with a 15 cubic foot waterproof cargo bag with reinforced seams and reflective strips for night visibility. The steel wind deflector minimizes drag and road noise, though adding anti-rust sealant is a smart move for longevity. Installation is straightforward, but a solo setup can be slightly tricky. What makes Dexo stand out is its balance of affordability and functionality. Many roof racks in this price range are flimsy or lack included accessories, but Dexo gives you a cargo net, waterproof bag, and mounting hardware right out of the box. Whether you're carrying camping gear, groceries for a weekend getaway, or sports equipment, this rack makes it easy and safe. Its compact size also fits neatly on the Telluride's roof without overpowering the vehicle's aesthetic. Compared to premium racks like the Tool Canyon X, Dexo is a budget-friendly, all-in-one choice, making it perfect for casual adventurers who want solid construction and weather protection without breaking the bank. Number 4. Wies Heavy-Duty 64x39 Roof Rack. Next up is the Wies Heavy-Duty 64x39 Roof Rack, perfect for those needing maximum cargo space. Its 200 lb capacity and modular design let it fit a variety of SUVs, while the tubular steel frame and black powder coating resist corrosion. The included steel wind fairing cuts down on drag, and the package comes with a waterproof cargo bag, ratchet straps, and a bungee net. Basically everything you need. Wies shines for families or adventure groups who need more than a compact basket can offer. With its 64-inch length, you can easily carry oversized gear like kayaks, ladders, or multiple bikes. Unlike the Dexo or Max Haul 70115, Wies provides extra volume without forcing you into a permanent installation. While solo installation may require a second pair of hands due to its size, the process is fairly straightforward if you plan ahead. Compared to smaller racks, it balances strength and flexibility. Its modular system even allows for future add-ons or custom configurations. If you frequently go on long road trips or need reliable storage for sports or camping gear, Wies offers incredible value per square inch of cargo space. Number 3. Arxon 43x39x6 Roof Rack. The Arxon 43x39x6 Roof Rack is a smart choice if you want flexibility without going massive. With a 150 lb capacity, adjustable length 34 or 43, and a 6-inch tall side rail, it offers stable storage for broader items like coolers, luggage, or firewood. Its black powder-coated steel resists corrosion, and the steel wind fairing reduces whistling at highway speeds. Installation is easy thanks to a universal U-bolt system compatible with crossbars up to 1.38 inches. What sets Arxon apart is its adaptability. If your adventure needs change from weekend trips to small cargo runs, the adjustable width makes it versatile for various uses. Its compact size keeps it lightweight and manageable while still offering solid support. Compared to bigger racks like Wies, Arxon is less intimidating to install and easier to store when not in use. It's ideal for families with 1 or 2 kids, or anyone who wants dependable cargo space without committing to a large permanent rack. The affordable price point, combined with quality steel construction, makes Arxon a great middle ground choice for Telluride owners who want reliability without sacrificing ease of use. Number 2. Fiffclemen 21 cubic feet car rooftop cargo carrier. If you prefer a soft shell option, the Fiffclemen 21 cubic feet rooftop carrier is huge on storage, holding 6'8" medium suitcases, and works on cars with or without roof rails. Made from tear-resistant 700D Oxford cloth with heat-welded seams and waterproof zippers, it's built to handle rain, sun, and highway speeds. The 10 adjustable straps, anti-slip mat, and 6 door hooks keep it stable, protecting your gear and car paint. Fiffclemen is perfect for travelers who want maximum storage without investing in a hard shell carrier. Its foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use, unlike bulky hardshell options that require permanent roof attachment. While slightly less aerodynamic than hardshell carriers like Thule Force X, it compensates with volume and convenience. Families on long road trips or groups heading to seasonal destinations will find it invaluable, especially since you can strap it down in minutes without specialized tools. Its soft shell is also more forgiving for odd-shaped cargo, making it flexible for varied adventure gear. For those looking for budget-friendly storage that doesn't compromise on space or security, Fiffclemen is a clear winner. Number 1. iBirdie 32.1 cubic feet X soft shell rooftop cargo box. Topping our list is the iBirdie 32.1 cubic feet X soft shell cargo box, designed for maximum storage without going hard shell. It boasts a 60x37x25 footprint, fitting 610 medium suitcases, and is made from ultra-durable 1200D Oxford fabric with a PVC coating for waterproofing. The triple guard security system, 10 adjustable straps, anti-slip mat, and zipper locks keeps everything secure. While its height can create some wind drag, it's a small trade-off for the sheer volume and robust construction. iBirdie truly shines in versatility and durability. Unlike smaller carriers, it allows you to pack for extended trips with multiple passengers, making it ideal for family vacations, cross-country adventures, or gear-heavy weekend getaways. The fabric is high-grade and abrasion-resistant, giving it a longer lifespan than many competitors. Installation is straightforward, and it folds down neatly when not in use, offering the convenience of a soft shell with the storage capacity of a full-size hardshell box. Compared to the Fiffclemen 21 cubic foot carrier, iBirdie provides over 60% more storage, making it perfect for adventurers who need to carry everything from sports equipment to camping gear without compromise, choosing the winner. So, which roof rack takes the crown? While all 5 options have their strengths, the iBirdie Exel's softshell cargo box stands out for overall capacity, durability, and comprehensive safety features. For anyone planning extended trips, hauling bulky gear, or needing maximum storage without a permanent setup, iBirdie gives you the ultimate balance of size, strength, and value. Final thoughts and call to action. There you have it, the 5 best roof racks for your Kia Telluride, from budget-friendly baskets to XXL cargo carriers. Each has unique strengths, whether it's compact flexibility, massive storage, or budget-conscious design. Which one fits your adventure style? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're packing on your Telluride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gear guides and car upgrades. All the links are in the description to make shopping easy.